In this video, I'll walk you through replacing or cleaning an air filter element and cleaning the MAF sensor. A clean air filter is really important to guarantee enough clean air gets to the engine. And cleaning or replacing it should go together with cleaning the MAF sensor. The air cleaner or air filter element doesn't need much explanation, but the MAF sensor might. MAF stands for mass airflow, and this sensor measures the mass, so basically how much air is flowing through the air filter and into the engine. MAF sensors were introduced on diesel engines as electronic engine management became more common on engines with electronically controlled fuel injection pumps. They were already in use before common rail systems, and today they are found on nearly all modern diesel vans and cars. How it works is actually quite clever and in principle easy to understand. Inside the sensor is a heated wire or film. As air flows past this element, it cools down. The engine computer keeps the element at a certain temperature, and the amount of electrical power needed to maintain that temperature tells the computer how much air is flowing through the sensor. Its signal is used together with other engine sensors to control things such as fuel injection, EGR operation and emissions, and to make sure the engine is operating within the intended air-fuel range. The engine can usually still run without a working MAF sensor. If you unplug it, the engine will probably keep running, but performance, fuel consumption, emissions and EGR operation may be affected. When cleaning the sensor, use a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner. Avoid brake cleaner or other solvents. And don't touch the sensing element. It's very delicate. After cleaning, let the sensor dry and reinstall it. Job done.